This can prolong the life of your hot water tank. You're going to want to flush your hot water tank annually, but you're not only just flushing it. When you go down there, this is also something that can be done weekly, monthly, whenever you can just, like, you're in your mechanical room, check around the hot water tank for leaks underneath. This is the type of stuff you definitely want to be doing often, because that hot water tank, if it's leaking out of the bottom of the tank, that means your tank is done. And a lot of times when it starts leaking, it's a slow leak, but most people don't notice it right away. It usually starts out just like a little small pool of water on the bottom of your hot water tank, and eventually it just blows and floods your whole basement type of thing, or your mechanical room. To protect yourself from these disastrous floods that people get, check your hot water tank often. Just go downstairs, check it, open up the mechanical room, check for water on the floor. If it's not there, you're good. Check for corrosion around the hot water tank on top. A lot of times the fittings that are screwed into the top of the tank, they start leaking, and you'll see like builds up of corrosion. Get that checked, get it fixed right away so you're not creating more problems. But the flushing thing, we do this once a year, at least every 2 years type of thing. Try to do it once a year, just keep it in the back of your mind.